field number 6. Camabel FC versus Silay Local. Camabel FC versus Silay Local. Kay Manyaran 2 minutes sa Green Acres. Green Acres and Bata FC field number 5, World 2018. Next game in field number 1. Next game in field number 1 is Susa Kids versus Don Juan United. Field number 1, next game. World 2014. Next game, field number 1. Born 2014. Minaluan, Talisay. Born 2014. Minaluan, Talisay FC versus TTCS Hotshot. Field number 1, born 2014. Next game. Born 2014, field number 2. Next game, field number 2. Ilonggo United A, Coachman Son, and versus Camabel FC. Coachman Son, field number 2. Coaches, Machine Show, we have 5 people. Again, field number 1, born 2014, Minaluan Talisay FC versus TTCS1 Hotshot. Versus Dolphins FC. Silay Local versus Dolphin FC. Silay Local versus Dolphin FC, field number 3. Silay Local, World 2014 versus field number 4, next game, FTU FC versus Escalante FC. FTU FC versus Escalante FC, field number 4, born 2014. FTU versus Escalante FC, field number 4, born 2014.
Down.
Shot. Coaches proceed to field assignment. Minaluan Talisay FC and TTCS1 Hotshot. Field number 1.
Go down!
In field number 2, Ilonggo United A versus Camabel FC. World 2014. Next game.
Go down! That's it!
Again, kay Dito Coach, skating turtle lang sa mga skates sa mabawang field.
Nice one!
You're not allowed in the playing field. Salamat.
Adam! Go Adam! Go Adam! Adam! Go, dumaan ko na, dumaan na.
Ito, Limo United A versus Carabao FC.
Nice one! Ay pagdalit, sige, ay pagdalit. Take your time, ay pagdalit. Aim sa goal, aim sa goal. Ay pagdalit. Larga! Nice one! Rora na.
Field number 3, si Lilo Pan. Let's go down.
Nice one!
Si Francis.
Field number 4, next game. Field number 4, FD Lambe.
Grip!
Again, yung mga basibanan, this is Next game, game number 5, Santa Ana Disappointment FC versus Green City. Next game, Santa Ana Disappointment versus Green City.